So I caught that rainbow in it. I can't remember for sure. Yeah. I didn't know that guy was leaving that quick. Not only would I have fished that hole, I'd have fished closer to it also. I backed off. I started to, cause like it looked good just going towards that hole from here. Walking right up on this fish, man. Right up on him. I'm right up on the fish. 7 minutes. At the 7-minute, 13-second mark now. There's one right here in front of me. I don't think he's big enough to keep. I always like, I just want to see him. See what in the world that is. Just pecking at my line. Yeah. It came right to my feet, man. It felt pretty decent. I mean, that thing was right here underneath this camera, man. He held on to that. I had a better piece of worm. He held on to that a little bit better. That thing was right here at my feet. Sometimes you just miss them, man. That felt like a piece of fish. Pretty hole. Pretty hole. One presentation. This is where I said I thought I had a rainbow by the wall there. Yeah, I ain't liking the way that wind's looking there. Not liking that. And we're going this long without putting one in the bag. Now that looks like there would be one in there. I always say if there is one, how in the world would you get him out of there? I guess you just have to go in there and do the best you can. Alright, back to square one here. Went down and caught two. Plus the one I started with up the side creek. Got two out of water I had already fished last week. And ironically, I swear I almost feel like I missed both of those fish last week. I know I had a rainbow on that jumped just like that one did. And I caught a rainbow just up above it, and I was wondering, maybe, that was the same fish. But I noticed, I thought it was the same fish. I kind of talked myself into thinking it was the same fish last week. But It was a good bit further upstream, which I thought, well, he could have probably moved up there. But he had jumped just like that one did. And I kind of felt before I caught that one, I thought the fish ain't gonna bite again. Then when I caught that one, it was a rainbow just up from there. I was like, well, maybe that was him. But now I think, now I kind of think that was it. The one that I just now caught was probably the one that I missed last week. I got him on film last week. He just jumped out. Didn't have him hooked long. I think I just spooked something. I have to go back and check the camera now. I think I just saw something move up through there. I've been good at that lately. Standing here in the sunshine like this, expecting to not spook a fish. So my point though, talking about catching the fish and a little brook trout I caught, I had a couple of bites in that area that I missed. I think I can't even remember if it was the day before. No words. I'm trying to remember now. Let's see. I fished there last Sunday. Was it Saturday? Yeah, I guess it was Saturday. Yeah. Fished right here last Saturday and Sunday. What a hole, man. That's what I said last week when I was here, man. This is an amazing hole, man. Crazy how this creek changed, though. It seemed like this hole right here used to be further up just a little bit. It's crazy. I don't understand how it can switch like that. This is a crazy spot, man. This hole used to be, you see this tree fell down in here and it narrowed the creek. To me, it's really a better hole than it used to be. What it used to be, even my dad used to tell me about it actually. It goes back that far, even when he was fishing. Which has been, Dad died 3 years ago. If I didn't fish, something like 8 years ago, probably, because he probably didn't fish very much for the last 5 years. Let's just say 5 years ago. It seemed like the hole was right here. I think it was, man. For sure. I'm pretty confident of that. Now all these trees are falling. See the way the hole used to be. Used to be right here, and it came up through here, and it was like was room under the bank. I mean, not under the bank though. Wasn't really an undercut bank type of situation, but it was. It was just deep. And it's kind of swift going into that tree right there, if I remember right. Kind of like it still is, but it was way deeper than this, than it is right here now. I got to do you like that, old school you, buddy. I got the old school you. Oops, over there in the old hole. He was old school on me. At the 12:27 mark. It's right here. I'm getting spotted on the camera. Butter brown, they call it. Let's see what he got a stomach. Ooh. He's got a strawberry. Yep. There's the tail. Lobster. And then eating that lobster and shrimp. I'm gonna need more than that. Looked like he might already digested the legs and stuff and already went through the hard part. He was savoring on to that good part. Whew. So that one there. Ooh, pan fry. Ooh. Good little morsel. Fill it up on me. Isn't that one over there? There's another fish over there, I think. I think that was a bite. Man, I'm gonna shove it up so bad. One shove it up on me, man. That was wild, man. As well. I have a little bite, a little nibble in there. found today. And that one made a crawdad too. Some green worms. He got a little green in his diet. A vegetarian almost. Color. Thought I had a bite. I'll tell you one thing what I really like about these GoPros. These last, well, it's actually it's the only two GoPros I've ever had. And this is the first time I'm using this one here today. The only other one I have is a GoPro 8. And this is a GoPro 9. The camera I had before was a different brand. But the fact that they're waterproof, that's the main thing for me. And not only can you get underwater footage, which I haven't done much at all of. But it might sound crazy. The camera gets so hot. I don't think it's good for it. You can get that thing in the water for about I don't even think it was a minute. Probably like 30, 45 seconds. And cooled off, man. Already not feeling this wine, man. I didn't fish one here the other day, but maybe it's better here now. Oh, this is a good looking whole lot. Look at that man, dog. And he swallowed it. He swallowed it. I was going to throw that back, but he swallowed it. I didn't have my line tight enough. He's pretty. Oh man, I wish you wouldn't have done that, dude. Selfishly because there's a hole right around that corner. There's two holes back to back. Ooh, look at all the places for them to hide today. All up on these banks. Yeah, there's a good one down there. There's a funnel. Potential good fish under the bridge, man. It's a perfect looking spot. You just missed it. Let's see what this is. I can't see it. Is that good one? That's just one of the day right here. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Look at the spots on that.